Hello everybody, I'm that common rag guy, and today I've got a fantastic unboxing. It's the Fantasy Raise Buckle. Finally able to get my hands on this. So this comes with the Fantasy Raise Buckle, primarily used by Nago in Geats, but of course it was shortly used by her father, and it comes with his ID cord. But enough of that, let's go ahead and open it up. It's rare they wrap these in plastic nowadays. Usually it's in cardboard. Reminds me a lot of the Power Loader ID core, which it's pretty similar actually. Forget pretty similar, it looks like they could be older and younger brothers. Ain't that crazy? Oh, so it's like the ninja buckle. Fantasy. What the? Thank you for joining me for this quick little unboxing. I hope you enjoyed, and sorry if you wanted to see the fancy buckle with the Nago ID core. Since the ID cores don't really change much with the driver other than it being there, I figured it'd be best just to do it with the one it came with. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Remember, it's always Henshin time!